Hi viewers, so today I'll show you how to renew your national ID online or apply for a new one online. So open Chrome or any browser of your choice. Then you search for NIRA UG. After that, click on this first link that appears. That's the original NIRA website. So wait for it to load. After it loads, you see these three dots up here. Click on them, and then you click on mass enrollment. Then this will bring you this page here, which will say National ID Renewal or First Time Registration. If you want a first time registration, then you click First Time Registration. If you're registering for a new ID, then basically then you follow the prompts that they'll give you, like write your name, address, sub-county, etc. Then you submit. Then that's it. Then if your form is back, you can then go to the NIRA offices and take your biometrics. Then you're done. Thanks a lot. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment if you want me to make a full video of the process.